So I was asked the other day what was the most insulting thing was ever said to me while I was in the police. There's a lot of insulting things you experience when you're in the police. I mean, people would be like not really wanted to be seen with you, especially not if they're criminals or if they are rich. If I've seen the affluent people really look down upon us. We were not in their social circles. I can assure you, and they would sometimes even ask us not to even go through the front door, but through the back door, because they don't want people to know that we are there. But funny enough, that's also the places where most of the commercial crimes took place. Yeah, most of the fake insurance claims. Yeah, that too. And then of course house abuse, a lot of that too. And a lot of drinking and a lot of drugs. But that I could live with. You know what? There's ways and means of dealing with it. You simply arrive and you park your police car right in front of his yard, and you even put a siren on for 5 minutes so that everybody in the neighborhood can see why you're there. And then you just walk up and you ask him what's his problem in life, and then you just laugh at him and walk away. Yeah, and then of course tomorrow, day after, the colonel will call you in and say, hey, what happened there? You give you explanations, but I have to say the colonels and everybody was very fair. And once we hear the story, we would just drop it 9 out of 10 times. But that was not the most insulting thing. The most insulting thing is we were standing a roadblock at Walvis Bay. And this is just after the war ended and Namibia became independent. But Walvis Bay as a harbour has always been part of South Africa. In fact, it was never part of Namibia as such, never part of Southwest Africa. The Brits just kept it. And so South Africa kept on keeping it. It was a very weird system. But anyway, we were standing there and roadblocks in a full camouflage uniform. And this foreigner arrives and he's like, saying, oh, this is the South African army. Well, I'm like, man, that's the most insulting thing everybody had ever said to me. Now I fully understand. Looking back, see a bunch of guys, military looking, fit, camouflage uniform, assault rifles, sidearms, all those things. Military correct. Yeah, man, but we're not the army. We were police, don't you know? Yeah, no, still get nightmares about it, even after all these years.